By continuing to watch this video, you agree to the disclaimer on the screen. Please hit pause to read it before continuing. Thank you. In this video, you will learn how to clean and maintain the Daiken 1 Home Air Monitor. While the Daiken 1 Home Air Monitor requires very little maintenance, periodic inspection is recommended. Start by removing the power to the monitor. Make sure the LED light is not active before removal. Now gently pull the monitor out of the duct, leaving the mounting plate in place. The main inspection points are the two apertures going through the monitor. Look for any visible particle buildup. If dust is visible, use compressed air to blow the dust out of the two apertures. If the monitor needs additional cleaning, use a Q-tip with isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe the surface inside the outer air aperture. The outer aperture is the one furthest away from the antenna. Do not use a Q-tip on the inner aperture as it can damage the monitor. Once completed, carefully insert the monitor through the mounting plate until you hear it click. Do not push the monitor in further than the clicked position. Reconnect the power to the monitor and wait until the LED turns solid green. If after a few minutes the LED is still blinking, reset the monitor using a paperclip or pen by pressing the reset button here for 2 seconds, and the LED will become solid green, signaling the monitor has reconnected to the homeowner's Wi-Fi network.